make a paper bow. So this is a very easy way of making a paper bow, and it is very useful too. So you can stick this bow onto shopping bags, boxes, ribbons, etc. So I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a shopping bag and a box. So you guys can go through it. So the first step is that we need a rectangular piece of paper. So now we have to fold it in half. So next step is that I'm taking a pencil and I'm drawing a dot on the top and bottom part of the paper. Now I'm drawing two curved lines that connect these two dots. So next I'm taking a scissor and cutting this out. So now I'm opening it. So next step is that I'm applying glue on the middle part of the paper and I'm sticking both sides to it. So after done with that, I'm taking the remaining part of the paper that we cut out at the beginning, and now I'm cutting a rectangle from it. So we have to apply some glue around the bow and we have to stick this rectangle part of paper to it. So now I'm sticking this to it. Then I'm cutting out the remaining part. So after I'm done doing that, I'm taking a small white gem and I'm sticking it in the middle of the bow. So I'm applying some glue on the middle part and now I'm sticking the gem to it. So now our paper bow is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a bow. So you can use it for anything. So for example, you can stick it onto bags and it has many uses. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!